This is the standard change key that, for instance, the safe custodian might have in his or her possession to use for regular combination changes. You'll note it has a small arrow on one side. There's a corresponding arrow next to the receptacle. We can also simply orient the arrow on the change key so that it points toward the lower mounting screw. We plug the key into the receptacle, and now we're ready to change the combination. With the change key inserted, we're going to change the combination from the factory default 50-25-50 to a combination of 66-80-91. Notice the lock beeps once with the change key inserted to tell us that it's ready for a combination change. We'll dial the existing factory default combination, 50, then at least 3 times right to 25, at least 2 times left back to 50, then we'll turn the dial right about 10 numbers. 3 beeps tells us to go ahead and enter the new combination numbers. Our first number is 66, so we dial left at least 4 times to 66. Then we dial to the right at least 3 times to 80. If I go past 80 when I meant to stop on it, I simply go around again to 80. Now I reverse directions, dial to the left to 91 at least 2 times. There's 91. Now I turn the dial back to the right about 10 numbers. 3 beeps tells me to enter the combination again to verify. So at least 4 times left to 66, at least 3 times right to 80, at least 2 times left to 91. Then I turn the dial right about 10 numbers. 5 beeps tells me that the combination has been accepted. If I keep dialing to the right, the lock bolt will retract and the dial will come to a positive stop. We've now completed our combination change. If this were a dual control lock, we could change either one of the 2 combinations using this same procedure. If the door is accidentally closed while the change key is still inserted in the lock, simply wait 2 minutes, the lock will reset. Then go through the combination changing procedure again using the combination numbers you just set as the old combination. You can use those same numbers for the new combination in the changing process, and during the last step of the combination changing process, you'll be able to turn the dial right, retract the lock bolt, and open the container.